Hi guys, in this tutorial today I want to show you how to create a AI content generator for YouTubers and also for streaming to create a videos. So step by step I'm going to show you how to create a using VQ to generate a full content, and then like this container, it has inside so many tags, and the right tags, and the right keywords, and the right descriptions, and the right voice for chat GPT or voice for AI. It will similar to read like as human voice. So I want to show you how you are going to see, and then how it's going to AI it will generate you, because AI will encourage you, and then it will keep you to learning so many different ideas, and also gives you so many different topics or fields, and also can often inspire you new ideas and broaden the potential of solution space. So and AI speak like your minds, like whatever you want to say, and AI going to write, or AI will help you to figure out how to say it without losing in the nonsense or struggling for hours with the design or formatting. So AI will generate you in just few seconds. It's not even minute. It in few seconds it going to create you full content or full videos that you are want, or that you are looking exactly for hours or for days you are looking for. So AI going to generate you in just seconds. So why AI, it's artificial intelligence, it is so good now. So many people they're using AI, they're making like $100,000 per day. So why guys you are just wasting your time? You are not getting to using like a chat GPT or AI like this one to uh to solve your really world problems, to solve your like in your work. You are going to make so many decisions in per day using just AI. So many students or so many people they just using AI, because every minute they're posting a new blog post. So when they come to people, they visit your website, and then when they click, and then you are going to make money, right? Then also someone have a some business, or someone have a wanna to write articles in their business. So you're just going to take that person topic, and then you're going to in minute you're going to create their articles. So guys, if you are really want to using this AI, it will help you to create many videos, many contents. You don't need to, or you don't want to write like whole content about whole descriptions, and then looking for the titles and the best titles, and then looking for the best tags or keywords. So just using like AI will help you everything. So we are going to use now how to use AI, and then it will help you to write you or to communicate 8 minutes. AI it will help you explore new approaches, and then instantly generate new ideas or new content. So you're gonna get point lots to use. So we don't want to just to get this topic, okay, and then to copy this topic, let's to this here. Then let's go to check. Guys, look, going to correct it as title. So is our group revolution YouTube content, the AI content generating explained. Look guys, now everything is ready. Let me to so AI now create as title the best title in the repetition. So this is the best title for us. If you want it, you can go to change. And then also guys, video script. Also you see this one, it's welcome to the future of YouTube content creation. And also look guys, the description. Welcome to our video and our Revolution YouTube content with the AI content generating in this from. And also guys, this one you see, this one also working.
Welcome to the future of
Look,
YouTube content
on
creation.
the
In
best
today's
voice.
video, we'll explore the revolutionary AI content generator that is changing the way we create videos. Imagine having an AI assistant that can generate compelling.
Wow. And also guys, look, this in the keywords. So I, in my last video, my previous video, I told you how to find the best keywords, right? So here, or in the best tags. So AI is already created us how to use. Here it's already, you see these tags we are going to use in our video, okay, or in our content, okay guys. And also AI created as background, thumbnail background. Look how it look. So look perfect, right? Even you don't want to create a background, so we are going to just, guys, to download this one. Let's go to download and then to use this one. That's it. So guys, in this tutorial, this one how to you are going to create a YouTube content with using AI, artificial intelligence. Guys, AI is meaning artificial intelligence. And then so last to see you in my next tutorials. So guys, don't forget, using this kind of things you are going to be successful in tomorrow, not today but tomorrow. You are going to be successful, I'm telling you 100%. Because now AI helps so many people, they now they making the decisions. Because look, like this content, when you write like this, so people when they come to write, everything is look like a you already created or you already wrote. Because everything is look here, you see how organized it and professional. And so this is what we want exactly, or this is what the customer exactly looking for, right? So guys, see you in my next tutorial.